Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python program to check whether a number is positive number or negative number. So now here I will write the program first. Number is equal to int of input of enter a given number. Okay, so int mean enter the number value. Suppose for example we can enter number 9. So it will take exact integer value, don't take the floating value. So because of that, here the input function we can use int function, and after that use the if condition. If number greater than 0, at the end of the statement we can use colon operator. So print function, so print of positive number, positive number. Suppose for example enter 9, 9 greater than 0, condition is satisfied, it displays positive number. So press the enter button. Else if statement, else if statement. So now here the condition is number equal to 0, else if statement, number equal to 0. So number equal to 0 means, suppose for example we can enter given number value 0. So 0 equal to 0, condition is satisfied, it prints 0 value, print 0 value. And another condition is else condition. So else condition is mean, suppose for example number given number value is -9. So -9 is not greater than 0. So condition is not satisfied. It go to the next loop and number equal to 0. -9 equal to 0. Here also condition is not satisfied. It goes to the next loop. So now here the else statement, print statement is negative number. Negative number. So for the negative number mean the condition is number less than 0, -9 less than 0. So the number greater than 0, the condition is not satisfied, it prints negative number. Okay, this is the Python program to check whether the given number is positive number or negative number. First save the program. File name .py. In the Python console, it will ask the number. So now here I will enter any number, any positive number. I will enter 9. Okay. So 9 greater than 0. So condition is satisfied. It prints the positive number. And again I will run the program. So now I will enter number of given number is 0. So number is 0. Now here else if number equal to 0, this condition is satisfied, it print 0 value, it print 0, and again run the program. Now here I will enter -9. So -9 greater than 0. Now here the condition is not satisfied, and -9 equal to 0. Here also condition is not satisfied. It goes to the else statement and it print negative number. So press the enter press the enter button, negative number. So this is the procedure of to check whether whether a number is a positive number or negative number or zero number. This is the program. Thank you for watching.